once you get the birth date from the client, what is the process that you follow? What do you do with that number?
Okay, so when I get the birth date, what I will see is that what does the client want to answer, Like sometimes the client just wants a general reading so that they can, design their whole life, and then they will carry forward from there. Sometimes they have specific queries which I have to address. Like see, you're a young guy, right? So you want to know that I have chosen a particular stream, and should I go to and migrate to some other country for my education and then I will settle down there, or should I consider to be in the same country? So depending on what they want, the birth date will give me all the. I mean, I will focus and give them the entire details.
Okay, I think that answers my question. All right. Following that, I want to ask that now say they give you a birth date, right? You made the chart. अभी उन्होंने आपने चार्ट बनाया और चार्ट के हिसाब से their numbers are not amazing, right? Like maybe the chart shows that they're not going to be very successful in life, or they're going to struggle a lot, or whatever it is, right? So is it just the chart which decides whether you will be successful or not in life? Because that sounds very like सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है, you know. So I wanted to ask that as well. So is that also true, or does
No.
does your life success also depend on other things?
Okay, so first thing you have to come out of this, that some charts are weak or they might not become successful, or I'm seeing that, oh, this guy is not going to succeed at all. So that's not how it works. I'll tell you that I have seen the strongest chart, like they are almost no, they are same copy of one which is Mr. Ambani's chart. Okay, Mr. Mukesh Ambani. It's a dicto copy. But that guy is still struggling today in his life. He's not achieving what I mean, not near means he's very far. बहुत दूर है अभी तो वो वहां से. तो वो चार्ट आपका कैसा भी हो सकता है. It can be strong, it can be weak. Now, how are you elevating yourself? So if you come, like you take a guidance of person like us, then I will give you the entire clarity. You know what, boss, you're in the wrong industry. That's the reason you're not successful. Then sometimes the name spelling of that person will completely eliminate the strength of the chart because it is anti-aligned with his own birth dates. चार्ट तो बहुत दूर की बात होती है यार. तो बर्थ डेट के साथ वो अलाइन नहीं है तो कहाँ से सक्सेसफुल होगा वो बंदा. वो स्ट्रगल ही करता रहेगा.
That's also true. I see where
Yeah,
that comes from.
yeah.
Okay, so it is not the only thing that decides.
No.
That's nice to hear. Okay. Now I want to ask that. Okay, now you gave someone their chart, all right, and you said that you know what, you're gonna become this much successful in life, or you're gonna struggle this much in life. Now, personally, if you ask me, forget you're still a numerologist. Even if someone like a basketball coach comes and tells me that you know what, you play really well, or you know what, you don't play very well, then I will take it at in heart, right? And it will start affecting me, even if I'm a good player or even if I'm a bad player, right? So that also is one thing, that you saying these things, it's obviously going to get into other people's heads, right? So how do they work with that so that it doesn't, like, you know, how do you make sure that it doesn't get into their heads, the success or the struggle?
Ah, yes. Okay, I get it. Basically, see, I'm not here to manipulate somebody's life. Okay, that's what I'm not supposed to do. My job is to tell you, give you a reminder. Reminder in the sense, boss, you're born with these stars, and these stars are going to greatly support you in elevating your life. Whether you're a sports person, you're a business person, you're a student, you're a homemaker, my focus is to give you the complete detail of your planet that will help you grow better. Now, for example, if you are born with a planet which is supporting to become a surgeon, okay, the जो सर्जन होते हैं ना, ऑपरेशंस वगैरह करते डॉक्टर्स. अब आपको तो बायोलॉजी पसंद नहीं है, आपने मेडिकल नहीं पढ़ाई नहीं की आपने मेडिकल की, तो क्या होगा अभी आपके साथ? तो मैं अभी, नाउ दिस गाय इज ऑलरेडी इन हिज लाइक फिनिश हिज ग्रेजुएशन, वॉट एवर स्ट्रीम ही टुक, and he is coming to me that I'm feeling lost. Most of them are feeling lost because they did not choose the one thing that is supporting their own planets. it is 110% possible that he is interested in some field wherein he is going to use some equipments. जैसे कि शेफ हो गया, फिर ये जो हेयर स्टाइलिंग लोग होते हैं ना आपके, जो हमारे आम लैंग्वेज में हम लोग बार्बर बोलते हैं, लेकिन nowadays people call them hair stylist. They become successful in those types of places. So the planets will definitely divert them to use those particular niches of their own planets. So their success will come from there, and I have to just tell them that much only. You know what? If you do this, it will help you. Now, I just guided them. I did not put them in a head, अरे तुमने क्या कर दिया, मेडिकल नहीं ले, अब तो लाइफ खत्म हो गया. That I will not do.
Okay, I think that's fair enough as well. Okay. Now, this is a little more in depth. People who know numerology, they'll be able to understand this question as well. But you have lines, right? When you decide a chart,
Yeah, I mean it's a full chart.
and then in
It is
which
3 by, I mean,
a 3x3
3
matrix.
by 3. Yes,
Yeah.
in geometry.
So in that you will have अगर किसी की line complete हो रही है, नहीं हो रही है, all
हाँ.
those things. So now I want to understand कि अभी what is the significance of each of those lines?
Okay. So see, there are 3 by 3 grid. Okay. So you know, because you are living 24/7 with me, so you keep seeing that I'm keep making these types of grids. Each line in that grid will give you like one line. Okay, one grid horizontal. There are horizontal grids, lines, and vertical and horizontal grids. Now, the center vertical line, okay, is going to talk about how that person is going to pursue on his will. Then there is other center, okay, the horizontal center will say that how much emotional well-being he deserves, or how much emotional support he needs, or how much emotional support he or she can give. Similarly, the other lines can denote. This is the one small example of the characteristics. Now there are, we are not only taking the vertical and the horizontal, we are also taking the diagonal lines, okay. So these are the denoting. If you have the planets present in the diagonal lines, that will denote that are you going to be successful? Are you born with it? Let's say, are you born with it? Or are you going to be super successful? Because one line of planets will give you super success in your life with even little hard work. Now again, it will depend on what is the combination of your own birth date. Yeah, then the struggle will be different. But at least we know that this person is going to be super successful or either successful. So now किसी का नहीं है, diagonal lines में कोई भी planet नहीं, खाली पड़ा है उसका, वो जो खाने हैं उनके, या those squares are empty. तो क्या वो कुछ नहीं करेगा अपने लाइफ में? No. In that case what happens, अगर उसका सेंटर वाला लाइन भी कंप्लीट है ना, और ऐसा होता ही होता है, उसको भी हम लोग कंसिडर करते हैं कि ये बंदा है ना सक्सेस हो जाएगा अपने लाइफ में. अभी वो भी नहीं है. कितने ही चार्ट मेरे पास ऐसे हैं कि उनके they have just minimal numbers, okay. Some planets are sitting out of those 9 squares, but yet they are just nailing in their life. The very important reason is because their birth number and their path, okay, we call it birth and path number, that comes from your own birth date. Okay, somebody is born on 25th of September 1960 or 1945, whatever. When we add up the first 2 digits, that is हमने जैसे लिया 25th, तो उसका 2 plus 5 हो गया 7, that is his birth number. फिर बाकी के नंबर्स हम ऐड करेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल उसका आ गया 1, तो उसका कॉम्बिनेशन हो गया बर्थ नंबर इज 7 एंड हिज पाथ नंबर इज 1. This will make him or her very successful, even though the chart will be weak. So these all things will denote how they will be able to perform. So in addition to the grid, I also explained you the birth.
So there is, along with the grid, the birth number also has a lot of
Yes.
significance. Okay,
Yes.
I see that. Okay, thank you so much. For today, that's all we have. Thank you for your time, and I hope anyone who's watching got their answers that they needed. Thank you for watching.